Hi everyone, I'm Chiaki from Japan. I'm Japanese pastry sous chef in Amber Kitchen. Today I would like to introduce how to make green tea crème brûlée. So let's start making green tea crème brûlée. For easy reference, the recipe is in the characters. So firstly, you are going to bring milk and cream to boil. Here is your milk and cream. Here you have green tea powder and custard sugar. Here you have egg yolks. You are going to put it in another bowl. Then you take out from the fire. Then you are going to add this boiled liquid to the green tea powder, just a little amount. So this is actually important to make a nice and smooth green tea crème brûlée to avoid making the green tea lumps. You are going to combine with egg yolk here into the bowl. Final step is you need to sieve with a fine chinois or a sieve at home to make it even smoother texture. When you are ready with the green tea crème brûlée mix, you are going to pour it into a ceramic bowls like this. You set up the ceramic bowl here in the deep tray. Then carefully you pour the hot water into the tray. And let's make it. Then you are going to cool down in the fridge until it's cold and set. So let's make a passion fruit caramel sauce now. Here is a custard sugar for you. Better to use a medium heat because it can be really quick to burn. Once it's light caramel like this, you are going to stop cooking, take off from fire. Then you are going to add the passion fruit juice. It can be very dangerous because caramel is hot, so be careful, go slowly. Then you are going to bring back to the fire, slow fire. Then you are going to melt the caramel again. Then leave it like this. You can add vanilla pot now. Make sure dry caramel is nice and melted. So here is your green tea crème brûlée chilled in the fridge. And this is your passion fruit caramel sauce. So here is your passion fruit caramel sauce. Fresh passion fruits. Here is vanilla ice cream. Then to make it nice color, I'm going to put peppermint here. Enjoy!